Hello cuties, let's learn some colors. Black color, red color, grey color, brown color, yellow color, pink color, dark blue color, light green color, dark green color, sky blue color, purple color, orange color, pink color. A for apple. Dark blue color. B for ball. Yellow color. C for cat. Purple color. D for dolphin. Red color. E for elephant. Orange color. F for finger. Sky blue color. G for ginger. Pink color. H for helicopter. Dark blue color. I for ice cream. Yellow color. J for jasmine. Purple color. K for kangaroo. Red color. L for lion. Orange color. M for mouse. Sky blue color. N for noodles. Pink color. O for orange. Dark blue color. P for pig. Yellow color. Q for queen. Purple color. R for ring. Red color. S for sunflower. Orange color. T for tortoise. Sky blue color. U for unicorn. Pink color. V for violet. Dark blue color. W for watch. Yellow color. X for xylophone. Red color. Y for Yak. Blue color. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. See you in next video. Bye bye.